Hello everyone, my name is Hana Mahajan. I'm a legal intern in Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the mediation, which is the main or the important process of resolving any dispute except going to the court. And here the disputed party is concerned with the resolving of dispute without any cost, and mediation is much less formal than going to the court, but the conflict resolution process does involve the distinct stages designed to lead a mutually beneficial compromise. And while pursuing a lawsuit, it can be a costly one. That's why mediation process is used. And using mediation, two or more person can resolve a dispute informally with the help of a neutral third person, and he is called as mediator. Most mediators have training in conflict resolution, although the extent of a mediator's training and experience can vary considerably and can be a costly one. And then there is example, hiring a retired judge as a private mediator could cost you a horrific hourly per rate, and by contrast, a volunteer attorney might be available through a court sponsored and settled conference among the local court of the free, and which he must can be a free one. And the role of a mediator, unlike a judge or a mediator won't decide the outcome of the case. Mediator job is to help the disputant resolve the problem through a process of which encourages each side to air dispute, identify the strength and weakness of the case, understand that accepting less than the expected hallmark of the fair settlement, and agree on a satisfactory solution. And thus the primary goal is for all the parties to work out on a solution that can live with and trustworthy. And types of problem solved with the mediation processes, anyone can suggest solving a problem through a mediation, and neighbors dispute or the other dispute which can be resolved in a few hours without the need of an intimate lawsuit, which is a very costly one and time consuming. And whereas here are some cases which are dealt with the mediation process. Firstly, the personal injury matter, then the small business dispute, family law issues, then the real estate dispute, and breach of contract. And the length of the time and it will take to resolve the problem will depend upon the complexity of the case, and somewhat straightforward cases will be resolved in half a day, and more complicated cases will require full day of mediation, and with the negotiation continuing after the mediation ends. And if the mediation doesn't settle either of the dispute, and either side can file a case or in a court, or file a lawsuit and continue in pursuing the current case. And therefore this is all about the mediation process. Guys, this was all about the mediation process and how it is get to resolve the dispute between the parties, and we will study the steps related to it in the next video. And if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe this channel Lexis.